In this video, you will see how to rotate text in WPS Office inside the table and outside the table in the document. It's very easy. First, after typing the text inside the table, just click inside the cell where you want to rotate the text. Right click and you will see here the option of text orientation. This option will allow us to rotate the text inside the table. So after clicking on this option, you will see this dialog box, and here you will see different formats of rotation. You can see the ABC direction and then decide which direction do you want. So I am selecting here the first direction, and then after clicking on OK, the text will be rotated. Now notice that this text is not at the center of the cell. So if you want to make it at the center, just select the text. Under the table tool options here, you will see alignment option, and under the alignment, select align center. So the text will be aligned at the center of the cell. If you have multiple text that you want to rotate, then you can just select all the cells and go to the text orientation option and select the text direction to rotate all the text inside the table. This method doesn't work outside the table. If you want to rotate the text outside the table, then you need to go to the Insert tab, click on Text Box, draw a text box and type what you want inside the text box. Now to remove this outer border, click inside the text box, click on this small option, Shape Outline option, and select the option No Line. Now this will remove the outer border of the text box. You can resize the text box precisely, and then click on the color fill option, select no color. Now you will have only text. Just click on the text and you will see here small circular arrow. You just have to click on it and hold the click, and now you can rotate the text freely anywhere inside the document in any direction. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to WPS Office. See you again in the next one.